Here is a glimpse of the sleeveless jacket that can be worn over any top that we wear over jeans or pants, or it can be worn over your kurtas too. Okay, this is made with baby cake anti-pill yarn. Completed the join on one side, so I have used single crochet to join the center piece of the back to the main piece of the front side. So you can use any type of join method that you would like to. Okay, so the other side too, we need to join on the opposite corner. Diagonally opposite. So we have taken 8 loops here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we have 24 stitches earmarked for joining here. So what we do is we join the first stitch to the stitch between the loops, then 2 stitches to the loop, again 1 2 3, like this. Let me demonstrate it for you so that it will be clear enough. This is the 8th loop. So we begin the join at this point, at the end of this, that is at the beginning of the 8th loop. Then the next 2 stitches inside the loop. And the next 3 stitches, the first stitch on the DC of that loop, next 2 stitches inside the loop. So continue in this manner. So while joining, push this down, and in the center, as I told you, we need to join only these 2 stitches to the centermost loop here. So I have left 2 stitches. If you want, you can leave 3 or 4 stitches too, it's up to you. So only thing is we need to make the armholes big enough that they are comfortable to wear. That is the only point we need to keep in mind. Okay, I shall complete this join too and get back to you. Having joined the center piece to the diagonally opposite corners in the center of the square panel, we complete the jacket. So these 2 are the armholes, quite large enough, and this is how the jacket is worn. You will find the pictures of this jacket in this video at the end and in the beginning of the video. And now we are left with one small work, that is to create an I-cord for tying over here. So let us do the I-cord now. We need approximately 28 to 30 inches of I-cord. So what we do is we take double the length of the yarn as a big tail, long tail, So make this I-cord to the desired length. This is one method of making the I-cord. I shall show you the another method too. So having made the I-cord to the desired length, now it's time to place them. Here we go. We complete the cut jacket, a fashionable cut jacket which can be worn on any dress, and it enhances the look of your dress too. Thank you friends for viewing the small effort of ours. Hope you liked it. If you have any queries, you're free to write to us on the WhatsApp number given the Magic Needle site, or you can write to us in the comments section of this video. We will get back to you as and when we look into the comments, as soon as possible rather. So do subscribe to our channel, like and share the videos if you really like it, and if you feel as worthy of it. Do click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos we upload on and off. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.